Guess what? We're going to San Antonio.
I'm Angie, and along with Kevin, my husband, we own Happy Acres Campground in Angola, Indiana. But we don't just own a campground. During the off-season, all winter long, we load up Roxie and our 2 dogs, Jane and Dexter, and we go on adventures. We find new places, we explore, and we want to take you along with us. I want to see the Alamo. Looks like they've got some construction going on. So dogs are not allowed in the Alamo, but we're just taking a quick walk, getting the lay of the land. We'll probably go to the river walk first because I think the dogs are allowed down there. Walk around, grab some lunch, and then this afternoon we'll come back and check out the Alamo.
Getting our own guided tour.
I know. Not because we did anything wrong, because he likes our dogs. Oh wow, this is so...
It just goes and goes too.
Like, this is what I imagined Venice would be like. I've never been there, but...
Yeah, see? This is the loop.
That's where we are now.
Okay, so the pricing seems a little bit difficult to understand. I'm not exactly sure what we're getting, and this person selling us the tickets seems just as confused as we are. So it turns out that we did purchase the tickets that included this Ralston family collection exhibit tour.
That is a huge painting. I don't want to get kicked by that.
Or these sharp ones right here.
Davy Crockett's vest. It's in pretty good shape, considering its age and that it went through a battle.
The Mexican troops eventually...
We decided to take a boat tour on the river walk, the loop part of the river walk. Maybe get to see a little bit more than what we did just by walking, and get a little history.
Factory has a $150 hamburger. Yep, you heard that. And it has a $100 bowl of ice cream. That place right there, if you can tell by the hesitation in my voice, I have not eaten there. Last time I talked about it, I got off, I went straight to Wendy's.
This is a lot of locks. Wow. And that side. That's crazy. Look at this lock. That's fancy. Lion.
Yeah, I've seen a couple of those. A lockbox.
A lockbox? Oh, just in case. All right, so our boat driver said the legend is you come and put your lock on. Well, first you have to have your names on it, and then you lock it on here and throw the keys over your left shoulder into the water. And then you just stay together forever. We're walking down the river walk in San Antonio. The day's about over. I wish we could stay another day because this has really been a super cool city. I was probably most surprised that the Alamo is actually right in the middle of the city. I don't know what I thought. I guess I thought it'd be like out in the desert somewhere or something, but no, the city is built around the Alamo. That's weird.
That's weird.
What do you think?
About the Alamo?
No, just, I don't know, today.
I think it's really neat. I think it'd be a fun place to come down at night, have dinner.
Yeah.
It's really neat. Weather's perfect. Architecture's amazing.
Yeah, it is, definitely. The architecture is super
And again,
cool.
there's nobody here.
Nope, come in the off season. That's our tip. We asked our boat driver why it was so slow, and he said this is kind of the end of the season for them. So we're here, what day is it? The 8th, January 8th. So mid-January, I guess. It's a good time to come if you're gonna come. And it's not too cold. We have sweatshirts on, but
70 today.
it's comfortable.
Just a little bit, maybe.
It's windy and it's shaded down here on the Riverwalk, so it keeps it a little bit cooler. So this little heart-shaped island with this huge cypress tree is supposed to be where you either get engaged or married, and that is to ensure that you will last forever.
Anywhere else, and
Kevin
probably won't last.
Kevin will not propose to me again. He just said it's too late. We're already married. He wouldn't even put a lock on the lock bridge. I don't know what that means, but it can be good. This must be a thing here in San Antonio because this Hyatt Regency has their own little mini bridge. All kinds of locks on it. I don't know. This isn't a campground, but maybe I need to steal this idea. We made it to our San Antonio campground. Green Lake, I think. Kevin's getting in the hot tub. What's the temperature?
Hot.
No, outside.
Oh, 67-ish.
Oh, yeah, we're the only ones crazy enough to get out in 67-degree weather. Not sure if you noticed yet, but this park is completely concrete. The site slabs are concrete, the roads are concrete, everything. It's actually really nice, but I cannot even imagine the expense involved because this is a really big park. Now this is something I could steal, borrow, copy. That's very stately. That would be really cool out on the peninsula at the pond with a swing out there, and then if we ever started doing weddings, we could just take the swing down. It could be like a altar. Oh my God, this is nice. And we're going to be taking advantage. Oh, they even have their own little hot water heater. We have a dog wash, but it's not quite this big or fancy. Yeah, this is nice.
Sixed out. 11? I better dig deeper then.
Yeah.
I didn't know you were gonna do me like that.
$11
There you go,
to
ma'am.
cross Lake Pontchartrain.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Welcome.
So apparently they only charge you a toll one way because they assume eventually you're gonna come back. Well, they got us. They got us on that one because we're not gonna come back. this is the longest,
arguably the longest continuous bridge, but supposedly there's one in China that may or may not. Some people say that it's not continuous, so it doesn't count, but I mean, who might argue? I don't really know.
Okay.
I just do my thing.
Longest continuous bridge, definitely in the U.S., maybe the world.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long is it?
It's like 24 miles, I think.
Say we're clearly negative experts on this, so
You
we're
can't
kind of
see
guessing.
You can't see. Well, you can kind of see the city on the
Oh,
other
yeah,
side.
yeah, yeah.
over
You
there.
can kind of see it. Let me see it.
It's pretty narrow though. You can't really pull off to the side. I guess there's crossovers every 3.5 miles. So if you do have an issue and you can limp it over to there.
So this bridge makes the 7 Mile Bridge look silly in the Keys, huh?
Yeah.
We're almost to our destination in New Orleans, but we're going to save that adventure for next week. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can keep up with all of our journeys. Until next week, don't just camp, camp happy.